Hello, my name is John Feeney. I'll be playing from the Selected Studies for Trombone book, page 14, A-flat major. I'll be playing from measure 1 to measure 32. It's pretty straightforward. There's just some things we have to be careful of. There is a lot of dynamic contrast, so you want to be sure you try to make those differences. Don't play louder than you can play with a good sound, and don't play softer than you can play with a good sound. Just try to balance out all your dynamics between those levels that you can achieve. And of course, you want to try to be increasing those all the time. You want to be careful rhythmically with the dotted 8/16 and the triplets. You don't want to play the triplet da 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 and then play da 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 da, which lines up with the triplet. It has to be da 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 da. It has to be divided into 4. So just be careful of that. There's a place around measure 17 where they start putting in some G flats, and almost always the G flats are next to an F, and I would play the F when it's next to a G flat in 6th position, just to make the slide movement a little bit easier. There's one exception to that. In measure 21 going to 22, you have the G flat F, but then there's another G flat, but right before it is an A flat grace note. Now you can play that A flat in 7th position if you want to do that, but for me that's awkward. So I'm going to play that F in measure 21 in 1st position. And so I'll go 5, 5, 1, 3, 5 for that little grace note thing. So just be careful of that. This is a really fun tune. I think you'll have a lot of fun working on it. A flat major. Have fun and good luck.